Hi, my name's Hilary Price, and I draw the single-panel cartoon strip Rhymes with Orange, which appears in newspapers internationally and online. I've been drawing the strip for 30 years now, and I've collected some nice brass along the way, but the most important thing, by far, has been connecting with readers. I'm excited to share with students all of the secrets I've learned along the way. First and foremost, this class is fun, and you will laugh as you learn the fundamentals of writing and drawing jokes. For 5 days, I fire hose you with exercises, enough so your inner critic just gives up and lets your creative brain play. Over the course of the week, we go over all the elements of a single panel cartoon. How do you draw the characters? How do you write the joke? How much setting should you put in? And how best to design it so it's easy to read. We approach these skills in lots of different ways. Please go on and check out the CCS website for more information, and I look forward to seeing you this summer.